Hey, are you trying to purify the air in your home? Yeah, well, check this out. Today we've got Dreo's air purifier we're going to check out, so you've got the right episode of Good Tech Cheap. Let's go check it out. Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting off, if you are new to the show, make sure you follow where you are seeing this show at. If you have the chance to get in the comments, get down there and interact with the community, as well as hit the like button. And if you got that chance to turn on that bell for notifications, be sure to do so. For today's episode is brought to you by Dreo. We have one of their air purifiers to be checking out. And it is this bad boy right here, the true HEPA air purifier for all weather health guard. We're gonna get it out of the box and see what we think. All of our links and details, of course, are in the description, so make sure to check that out. And without any further ado, let's go get this out of the box. So we have the box right here on the table, and as you can see, it's a pretty good sized box. So this unboxing will be a little bit different, but that's okay, because we're still gonna get everything out and see what we get. Getting that tape cut on top. Right when you open it, you get a hello greeting. That's pretty cool, with a QR code. Then right on top, you get your quick start guide, and then a back side of it as well. More paperwork and some foam. We'll knock the foam out and you can see the purifier. We'll just go ahead and pull this on out. And get the plastic off of it. This is a good size purifier, but yet it's not too big either. I really like it. Then left in the box we have the power supply. Get it out of the bubble wrap. Your standard AC wall going into the plug that fits the Dreo. And that's all you get out of the box. Oh, look at this thing. Very nice, very nice. Goes all the way around. It's not very heavy either, so if you need to get it moved around, it ain't gonna be a hassle moving it room to room. We've got a compartment right here that will open up. All your controls are on the very top with touch sensitive buttons. I like that. On the bottom we have the guard telling us how to get this off. We'll twist and we'll pull. And this is where your filter is located. So we'll go ahead and get this ready to go. This is a nice filter, surround filter. We'll get that right back in there. Now we are ready to get this going without burning the unit up. You want to make sure that you absolutely get the plastic off of the filter, because if you don't, it's going to be stopped up and you're going to risk taking a chance of burning up the unit. You don't want to do that. You want the air to pull through the filter. Inside of the envelope we have here is more paperwork. You have the user manual along with your 5 years warranty card. You get on the website and scan the QR code to register this device where you get that warranty. And that, my friends, is everything you get in the box. Let's get it plugged up and purify the air. So the Dreo air purifier removes at least 99.97% of any airborne particles with the size of 0.3 microns. Basically saying you're gonna get that musky smell out of your home with this air purifier. It has more efficient purification ability using the Turbo Pure technology and pioneering air duct. The Dreo air purifier can quickly purify your room with the efficient operation of a 360-degree pressurized air intake system. And that also comes with a professional style filter. To enhance the purification capacity, the Dreo air purifier is equipped with a 3-stage ultrafine Pre+ H13 true HEPA carbon filter, which has a 99.97 filtering efficiency. And of course, with utilizing the efficient purification process, you also do that with energy saving technology. It has a self-adaptive system that is more convenient to use than other purification products. The Dreo air purifier is Energy Star certified, and it can help you save more on your electricity bill. Besides, it can automatically adjust the fan speed according to the concentration of air in your home, which means it will adjust itself on its own for how dirty the air is in your home. The more pollen or dust and debris you have in your home, the harder this system will work to remove that. And once the room is cleaned up and the air is more purified, it will work less, but also keeping that consistency of purification going in your home. After you start the unit up, the Macro P2 supercharged brushless DC motor can produce a massive flow of high-speed air on an instant. And of course, it will clean the air quickly, giving you much better purified air in all corners of the room. To improve the purification and how effective this unit is, they have adopted a self-designed air ducts with the cooperation of the booster system. Dreo air purifiers have a patented structure of air ducts that can unify the direction of airflow and reduce turbulence, making airflow more smoothly. And of course, that is 4.8 air changes per hour in a 283 square foot room, giving you much cleaner air in your room, taking out the cat hair that's floating around the air, the dust, and any other small debris that you are breathing in on a daily basis without an air purifier like this. And the certified Energy Star rates this thing to use around 30 cents a week. That's even much less than running a light bulb all week. Isn't that awesome? You get to scrub your air and save money. That's totally good tech cheap. The rated power of this unit is 36 watts and the effective range is rated at 283 square feet. And with the sound level between 20 and 54 dB. And yes, it's got a dust sensor. Yes, it has air quality monitoring. It has an auto mode, which is completely awesome, and a filter life reminder. So you don't have to worry about if your filter is bad or not. It will tell you exactly when it's time to change it. So this thing has been consistently running non-stop since I've gotten it, and I'm absolutely in love with it. It helps clean the air, makes it even more breathable. It even has a nice smell when you come home and you're just like, freshness. And that is what I love to come home to. Not to mention, it does help take that musky smell away that the cats give you every now and then. If you got cats, you know what I'm talking about. But overall, we have absolutely been loving this air purifier and would recommend it to anyone that's looking into it. That being said, all of our links and details, of course, are in the notes below, so make sure to check those out. We'd also like to take this time to give Dreo a huge shout out for partnering up with us so we could give you this review. This is an awesome air purifier, and if you found this review helpful, then make sure to hit that like button. Get in the comments, let us know if you're looking for an air purifier or if there's a way that you prefer to purify your home. And of course, wherever you're seeing this episode at, make sure you're following where you should be following so you can keep up with all the latest content and deals. But that is going to wrap it up for today's episode. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you in the next review.